Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is menus. So if you go down to Appearance and then Menus, you'll find the following. Nothing's really here. You have to actually create a menu first. So we'll call this Top Nav and then go and create a menu. And there still really won't be anything here. Let's take a look at the site. Because there are no pages. Menus and pages work hand in hand. You can add pages to a menu and that will change the way your menu appears. So let's go make some pages. We'll make 3 pages. Page 1, page 2, and page 3. Alright. Now let's go back and look at our site. See if anything's there. Nothing's there. Okay. So you actually have to go to Menus and add those pages to the menu. So watch what we can do here. Okay. Go down to Pages, select all, add to menu, and save the menu. Go back to your site, and what do you see? You see your 3 pages there, right? Okay. Go back to the menu, and you can actually rearrange these so that they're in order. You can even do this so that page 2 is a sub-page of page 1. Let's go see how that looks. Okay, page 2 is a sub-page of page 1. Page 3 stands on its own, so you can click on page 1 or you could click on page 2. Okay, how cool is that? So you can make your own navigation menu by using the proper theme and the pages that you want to include in that menu. You don't have to include them all. You can include 1 or 2 or 10 or 100 or all of them. It's up to you. Alright, that's it for this one.